China's market share for precious metals is getting out of hand, and we have recently seen the global tensions between the US and China and how it is a big issue for the United States as well as Canada. This is Chinese market share in these critical minerals, including titanium, lithium, uranium, vanadium, as well as the global titanium market growth projection skyrocketing past 2032, as well as global uranium reactor requirements projection up 117% estimated by 2040. All of this screams that we need to focus on one of these companies, and that company happens to be what I will be talking about today, that is trading at 44 cents, a penny stock, with analyst projections giving it high upside, with the chart making higher highs and higher lows. You're going to want to watch until the end of the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn post notifications on. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. I'm going to try to make this short, sweet, simple, straight to the point for you guys. This stock is trading under a $30 million market cap on the Canadian exchange, outperforming its own index. S&P/TSX index outperformed year to date on 2025, and on several time frames that remains consistent as well with these charts that I am showing right in front of you. The stock also got a beautiful outperform rating from Alpha Bridge on September 8th of 2025 with a massive price target of 75 cents in the near term. With that price target from where we're trading at right now, that is another 70% gain, and I am about to put it on your radar because the company is possibly about to announce something beautiful, and I'll explain why I predict that based on the recent news that they just got. Okay, first of all, we've made higher highs and higher lows since April. We jumped from 20 cents to 45 cents. We have now traded in this ascending channel of support and resistance, making higher highs and higher lows, showing that we are going to head to the fib level at 60 cents next, and possibly the 618 at 82 cents, and higher we go from there. Again, the stock has not been trading for a long time. We can see that September of 2024 it began trading, and then over on the OTC, January of 2025 it began trading. Now, the market share in China has been a big issue. Everyone has been talking about it, and let's talk about Saga Metals, what they do really quick, and what recent news they got. Now, Saga Metals, real quick, they got recent news. Saga Metals featured in the Northern Miner as drilling preparations continue at Radar Project in Labrador. And we can see right here that was posted October 20th, 2025. A North American exploration company advancing critical mineral discoveries is pleased to announce that preparations are underway for phase 1 of the 2025-2026 drill program at the Trapper Zone on its 100% owned Radar Project near Cartwright, Labrador. Drill crews are scheduled to mobilize at the beginning of November, with the program designed to advance Saga toward maiden mineral resource estimate. Now, if you scroll down and you actually look, first of all, their sites are beautiful, but if you scroll down in this article, this is the main sentence that I want you to focus on. The program will focus on initial drilling of 1,500 to 2,500 meter and 6 to 10 holes, each about 250 meters in depth before the December break. That means a very possible announcement or possible drill results that spike this company up towards that price target. Now, the free float is small, the market cap is small, everything is small. It's a very cheap play, it's a newer play. This butting heads with China has to go somewhere. Why is it even important enough to talk about? Well, these are the same things that power electric vehicles, that power jets, that power military things, that power AI infrastructure, right? We need all of these critical materials. In fact, it's probably the most important thing that we will need. Now, this is their website. I'm going to link it at the top of the description of the video. I highly urge you to go check it out. But just to give you a further breakdown, this is a Canadian exploration company securing North America's future supply of critical minerals, including titanium, vanadium, lithium, uranium, and high purity iron. These are the metals that power fighter jets, electric vehicles, satellites, and clean energy systems, and more. Right now, most of that supply comes from overseas, and Saga wants to bring it home, which is very important. And we have recently seen that the government is now investing in individual companies as well. Now, Radar Titanium and Vanadium Project in Labrador, they have massive 160 square kilometer system, same scale as major global titanium mines, 15,000 meter drill program underway, early data max out the equipment. They have a couple other projects, as you can see right here. The Legacy Lithium project in Quebec, partnered with global mining giant Rio Tinto, who's funding tens of millions to explore Saga's lithium ground in the lithium corridor, which is big league validation. And then you have Double Mer Uranium Project, the drill ready with off the charts radiation readings, 27,000 counts per second, with uranium prices surging. Timing is perfect. Now that's pretty big too, because most projects are a lot lower than that. This shows that the results that they are about to get are extremely promising, and that's why investors seem like they're holding and bidding up the chart, awaiting for these possible good results. Now, they're fully funded with over $11 million raised, covered by analysts with the outperform rating, and already up strong this year, outperforming their own index, but still sitting at a small market cap value compared to its potential. So Saga Metals is a multi-commodity North American supply chain play backed by a major partner in a market that's desperate for local sources of critical minerals. One company, four commodities, real partnerships, drill results coming soon. If you don't have a metals play or a critical minerals play in your portfolio, I highly suggest you check this one out. These are all statistics that are very important to the stock price, to the near future of the play. And this is why I am putting it on your radar. They have big news possibly coming in the near future. They're fully funded in their projects that they have, and they are trying to bring the minerals back home instead of overseas, and having that major tension not be an issue anymore. I find this a crucial play to pay attention to, a cheap penny stock trading at 44 cents. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below on Saga Metals Corp. Again, that is ticker symbol SAGA. Go check it out. Or that is SAGMF if you are trading on the OTC markets. Go check that out as well, and let me know your thoughts. That is it, guys. I love you all. Shout out Saga Metals Corp for sponsoring today's video. Do your own due diligence and research on everything provided in this video. I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Again, this is a sponsored stock. That is it. Love you all. God bless. Lottery Socks out.